Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered predictive maintenance systems in the steel industry. Let's explore how these innovative systems are revolutionizing industrial maintenance. In steel mills, sensors and IoT devices play a crucial role in collecting real-time data on equipment health, vibration patterns, and temperature fluctuations. This data provides valuable insights into the condition of machinery, enabling proactive maintenance. AI algorithms analyze the collected data to predict equipment failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes downtime, as maintenance can be scheduled before a breakdown happens, optimizing efficiency in steel mills. The benefits of predictive maintenance are substantial, including reduced downtime, increased equipment reliability, and significant cost savings. By embracing proactive maintenance, steel mills can optimize productivity and efficiency, ultimately driving positive impacts on their operations. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more fascinating content on AI positivity.